Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your credit card usage with Discover Card step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current credit card usage. Take a close look at your spending habits. Identify which categories you spend the most on. Consider allocating your spending to maximize rewards. Next, familiarize yourself with the features of your Discover Card. Review the rewards structure and cashback opportunities. Make a list of categories that earn higher rewards. Set alerts for payment due dates to avoid late fees. Always aim to pay your balance in full each month. This practice helps maintain a positive credit score. Consider using the mobile app to track your transactions. Utilize the app's budgeting tools to stay within your limits. If you plan a large purchase, look for promotional financing offers. Keep an eye on any rotating category bonuses they may offer. Sign up for automatic payments to streamline your bill management. Monitor your credit score regularly through Discover's tools. Keep your credit utilization ratio below 30% for optimal scores. Engage with customer service for any questions or concerns. Explore the redemption options for your rewards. Use your rewards wisely, whether for statement credits or gift cards. Evaluate your credit card annually to see if it still meets your needs. Consider combining your Discover Card with other financial products for better benefits. Stay informed about any changes to terms or rewards. Maintain discipline in your spending to ensure long-term benefits. By following these steps, you'll not only enhance your credit card usage but also set yourself up for financial success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.